Hey everybody, just had a little dinner and now I'm getting right back at it. Gotta get back into the shop here and get going on, keep going on getting everything cleaned out and tidied up. Don't mind the scruffy face here. Busy. Here, let me flip you around so you can see what I'm working on. Alright, there we go, I figured it out. New technology, huh? So yeah, here you go. This is our shop that we're getting ready. Has a wood furnace and an oil furnace behind those, what the heck do you call those, cots, camping cots. So yeah, pretty awesome shop. I'm gonna really miss this shop. Had a lot of fun in here working on projects, and of course it's always super handy for doing oil changes and tire changes and brakes and whatever else, whatever other work you need to get done on your vehicles. But yeah, had a lot of fun in here doing some projects, working on some renovations and stuff like that. But anyway, it's time to move on. I've definitely had my fill of working on renovations, and now it's time to do some traveling, some sightseeing, see the world, at least for now, Canada and the US, hopefully. But yeah, just getting this all ready, getting a bunch of stuff ready for an upcoming yard sale, and a bunch of stuff that needs to be brought over to our oldest son's house, the snow blower and saws and whatnot. But and as you can see over here, we got quite a mess of stuff just going through everything. Oh, over here. So that right there, those are some solar panels that's going to go on the trailer. Upgrading the standard 30-pound, or sorry, the standard 20-pound tanks to 30-pound tanks. These are some new tires that we're getting put on our truck, our Ford F-150 for towing, and the rest of this stuff we got to sort out and figure out where it's all going. But this is the stuff we're keeping for now. Some of this might end up back in here for the yard sale, but for now, this is what I'm doing it, so I got to get back at her. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. And there's little Miss Peach enjoying the sun on the deck. She's really going to miss that. But that's our little girl Peach. Enjoy it while you can, little girl. We'll have to figure something out for the trailer. Gonna miss seeing these little guys around the property too. Got some bunnies. Just came out of the house and scared them a little bit going back into the shop to do some more work, but seems to be doing okay now. Another thing I'm gonna miss, just going through this this old red toolbox here. What shop isn't complete without a good old Craftsman red toolbox? So just going through, making it a little lighter, of course, pulling out all the drawers so I can take that top unit off, and then we can actually load this thing up in a truck and take it over and to my wife's parents, the in-laws, and we're going to look after this while we're gone. But you know, who wouldn't want to be able to take this with them in their RV for their trip? But such is life, and once again, certainly enjoyed the time we had with in the shop with all these tools and everything. But next chapter of life.